Happy Navratri. Ma Durga has come onto Mother Earth and into our lives. We all know that she has 10 arms. And what are the 10 arms? That she blesses us from all the directions. That's all the 8 directions, Mother Earth and the sky. So we should take these 9 days as very important so we can observe her energies and try to follow her footsteps. The first day is what would she give? She is connected with planet Sun. That's number 1. And what does Sun also give us? Discipline, good health. If you lack confidence, try to connect on the first day. Very, very important. And whatever you cook when you have your child's birthday, his favorite dish. So the first day, Ma Durga's favorite dish would be banana and ghee, that's unsalted butter. But in case if you're not being able to do it at home, you could at least donate it, and if possible try to wear or keep yellow flowers, or you can wear yellow clothes. So that's the first day Ma Durga would come, and her energies would give us good health. So if you would like to be free from illness or anybody suffering, do that. And also if you can burn a yellow candle, it would help you out. The second day, what would Ma Durga give us? The energy is connected with moon. That's number 2. Well, in case if you want happiness at home, peace of mind, love, become less sensitive to people's reaction, then on that day you would have to give out or keep it in the press green fruits, anything green, that could be guava, pear, anything. It would really help. And if possible, then do have orange or white candle and clothes, and you will see yourself feeling very light, and you would not become so sensitive if people tell you anything, and your family bonding would become so together. So try this and let me know after 9 days how you have felt. Third day, Ma Durga would represent Mars, which is number 9. That day, in case if you get connected with her, she makes you actually fearless. She also saves you from accidents, wounds. In case you get wounds and they don't dry up, she will actually get it cured. She'll make you fearless. You wouldn't have any fear for anything in your life. And what you would need to give her and burn a candle is, you can either burn a grey or a white candle, and if you can make kheer, pudding, or anything white, like white sweet, rasagullas, and if you can donate that, you will see after that day, if you feel you always have fear of something, you have fear of darkness, height, anything, that is the day to ask her to help you out to come out of that fear. On the 4th day, the Ma gets connected to Mercury, which in number is number 5. Well, in that day, if you feel you lack communication, like suppose you're in a party and you're not being able to communicate, you don't have that strength to open your mouth and fight for your right, on that day she would give you the strength and have good communication, but at the same time you will have strength internally, good health and fame, so you can get connected with everybody. What you need to do on that day is, if you can burn a red and an orange candle, and there's one Indian sweet which is called Malpua. If you are able to do and get that sweet, it's fine. In case, always you can give out sugar, white sugar, brown sugar, anything to anybody. It will give you the power to communicate to the universe and to the world. 5th day, she would represent Jupiter, which in number is number 3. Now on that day, if you feel you lack a little bit of knowledge, not only you, but you want progress for your children's knowledge, that is the right day to pray to her. And what you would need to do is basically that day give out banana, but not a normal banana, a yellow banana. You will, first I said banana, but this time I'm saying yellow banana. So yellow small bananas should be given. And what color candle you could burn is either royal blue and white, whatever you have. In the case if you do not have those colors, you can burn just a white small tea candle. It is what you get connected to. Yes, there are colors and fruits written for each one, because as our children, as I said, we all want to give the best to our child. So she has also come as a guest. We want to give her the best. But in case if you do not have it, please do not say, I don't have it, so I'll not do it. It is how much intention you put towards it. You will see the difference. On the 6th day, she would represent planet Venus and number 6. Now this could be with all the relationship, but mainly it is marriage, love of a husband and wife. So in case if you want your married life to become more better, or you are having problem, or you are not married and you want to get married, that day is the day which you need to get connected to her. And what you need to actually give is honey and burn red candles. So single ones, if you really want to get a good life partner, go on that day to pray. And people who are actually having problems in their marriages, ask Ma Durga to remove that. And people who are already happy, you can always pray to her to give you more peaceful life in your marriage. On the 7th day, she represents planet Saturn, that is number 8. Now in case if you feel you get always, or your children get evil eye, you have a lot of past pain and sorrow, try to connect on that day with her. Trust me guys, if you really being able to connect it, your pain and sorrows will become very, very less. And on that day, if you can write one pain and sorrow of yours in a black pen, in a white paper, and then just burn it, the next morning when the sun rises, you would feel lighter. Try it and tell me, how did you feel it? And what you would need to give out that day, you can actually give out dark chocolate, milk, and you can burn a blue candle. Also you could give out jaggery. Day 8, she represents Rahu, and Rahu is number 4. Now that day, what energy she gives us? People who do not have children, or they are planning to have a child, but they are finding it difficult, some medical problems. That day is you need to get connected. Knowingly and unknowingly, we all make mistakes. And in case if you have made some mistakes and done some wrong thing, try to connect that day and ask for forgiveness, and things work out. And what you need to donate is banana and coconut. And the color which you can burn a candle is green color. Peacock green, very good. Otherwise green will help. The 9th and the last day, she connects with planet Ketu, that is number 7. And when I talk about Ketu and number 7, it actually makes you get connected to the universe. So in case if you have chosen yourself that you would want to follow a different path and come out of this environment of the world which we are living in, that would be the right day to forgive and forget and take a new path. And what you need to donate that day, something to do with sesame. It would really help. And the color which you need to choose is gray, white, or whatever your heart says. Just do it. Which is your favorite color also, you can just offer her. I wish everyone a happy Navratri. May Ma Durga bless us all. And I would tell everybody, because I have been doing these remedies for years, these are my secret of my life, which I am sharing it. So if you feel like you also want to change your life and get more happiness or get strength to actually face the world and the problems which come in a life, very powerful remedies. Do it and do write to me how it is. May Ma Durga bless us all.